Yeah, so welcome. So there is another lot for sale. 2,000 square meter. It's 2,000 square meter and it's only along the Barangay Road. And it's only 5 minutes drive to the municipal of Trinidad. So again, it's 2,000 square meter. It's along the Barangay Road. It's very ideal for how, for residential, because it's just very close also on the elementary school here in Trinidad. So again, 2,000 square meter, complete papers, and it's just very close, 2 to 3 minutes, 2 minutes to the national highway. 2,000 square meter. Title tonight, eh?
Oh, title portion naman.
Yeah, so it's 2,000 square meter and it's titled. So as I said, this lot is for sale. It's just along the Barangay Road. It's only 2 minutes drive to the national highway and 5 minutes drive to the municipal here in Trinidad, and possible 8 to 10 minutes to the town of Talibon. So it's very ideal location to build your dream house. So again, for more info, contact 0977-320-4650 or check it out on my Facebook page, Elizabeth Martin, for more areas here in Bohol. Have a great day and God bless. Bye bye. So that's the boundary there.